All right, y'all. So the following video is an excerpt from this morning's New York Open session where we were in the VIP Discord during a VIP live stream scalping this. We were able to get into a few scalps, including this one that I'm currently in right now. As we're trading for the World Series of Trading competition for ByBit, we're currently coming into the area of resistance that we had marked out during the stream, which was a major take profit of mine right here, where we have a golden pocket and a point of control. So basically, if you are interested in seeing how I trade and what I'm looking at during the live price action, you could check out this video. You'll probably find it informative. And if that's not your thing, then this is definitely not the video for you guys. But make sure to like the channel. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. And I hope you guys enjoy. So let's see what happens as New York opens. Are we going to get our moves to the VWAP? Where we also have the value area high. And if we just blast right through here without any bear divs, guys, then, we just take it level to level. Again, this could be an area of support, right? This could really be an area of support. So New York is officially open. And let's see what they're going to do first. Looks like they're going to dump us down. And we do have money flow coming down here pretty intensely. If we get a super fast wick down to the golden pocket, I think we could definitely look for a bounce there. Might not be the biggest bounce, but definitely some kind of a bounce. Let's see what we got going on here. We have shorts opening. Open interest increasing, mostly just shorts opening up right now. Shorts opening. We hit our golden pocket. Getting our little bounce from there. I took a little scalp from here. And let's see what we can get from it. Let's see. So the next TP for me would probably be, wow, okay, this is going fast. Let's do this is my entry. This is my stop loss here. I don't want to get wrecked, right? But 19197. Let's do 19197. And then let the rest ride if we ever, if we come up there. I don't know. I don't want to eat fees, but I also don't want to get stopped out if we're going to get more of a move to the upside, right? So, and I still think that VWAP could make a nice short, but I should have stayed. I did take a short on that bearish CVD right here and then stopped at the entry on the short. So not in a short, unfortunately. But let's see if all right, let me just move this stop loss down just a smidgen, man, because we're coming to a local golden pocket right there, as you can see. I just don't want to eat fees, but if that golden pocket holds, we could probably get to our next TP here. Let's take a look at an order flow chart and see what's going on the order flow here on a very micro time frame. We do have some bullish CVD forming. If we get a bounce from that golden pocket, this actually is bullish CVD right here. So come on. Don't put in that lower low, Bitcoin. Come on. We've got we need some Rocky music going on here. We need some Rocky music going on. All right, we're getting alerts, guys. 24-minute red dot. That's not what you want to see when you're trying to long. Dang it. I have a feeling, guys. I have a feeling that Bitcoin's going to dump today. I have a feeling that Bitcoin's going to dump today. All right, stopped out. Stopped out. All right, I have a feeling that Bitcoin's going to dump today, guys. Let's take a look at what the ES is doing here. Basically, ever since New York Open, we've been dumping. And I don't know. Looks like we're going to get a move down lower. Dang it, guys. I haven't been able to get into any good short trades this whole dang competition. I've just literally been scalp longing these little moves here. And if only I had held on to this short, I shorted from right here, like this bearish CVD right here, stopped at my entry before dip. And who knows, maybe I'll be stopped at my entry before pump here, but the way I'm handling this competition is I'm scalping TP early, stop loss, and I'm hoping that one of these times I get one that just rides. You know what I'm saying? Because that's kind of how I'm dealing with this here. So, do you consider single print when there's a 5-row minimum? 3 is the minimum, but the more there are, the better. The more there are, the better. So, shout out to Boyan, by the way. Shout out to Boyan. Well, it's a decent New York Open, guys. Typically we don't get any good tradable action. At least we got a very huge. Oh, wow. That's not bad. Almost a 0.5% move. That's not so bad. All right. We have blood diamonds on lower time frame. Yeah. Man, what a huge freaking bummer, guys, about not being short right now. So that's a bummer. But whatever. You know, it is what it is. I'll take what I can get. I'll take what I can get, guys. I'll take what I can get. I wonder if anybody's short and if we're climbing up in the ranks here. 55. I think we're climbing up in the ranks here, guys. I think we are. I think we're climbing up in the ranks. I don't care about this competition too much, to be honest, guys, but, well, I have to, okay, I do kind of care about it. It's kind of cool that we're doing well. And I don't mean to sound braggadocious, but I'm kind of, the fact that we're beating Toros Crypto by so much kind of makes me feel good, because, they're like good traders, so that's kind of surprising to me. So let's see. Okay, so the S&P is at a golden pocket right now. The S&P 500 is at a golden pocket. Let's check this out. Wow. SPX dropping down to this golden pocket here with some bullish div, but money flow is getting lower. This actually, if the S&P can hold this level, that could be bullish for Bitcoin. Are we going to get our launch off from here, guys? The S&P 500 holding this level. Let's take a look at the futures. Futures are pumping right now, guys. Futures are pumping. So S&P 500 futures pumping. The only thing I don't like about Bitcoin is we don't have bullish divs on the 1 minute. Let's check out our TR chart to see if we get any kind of bullish divergence. Nothing to write home about yet. But we, nothing to write home about. We could say for certain that we are at a golden pocket and we are getting support at the golden pocket. But let's turn on our 786. Let's see what we got. Okay, so our 786, we could come down here and just take out the lows at about 18,998. 18,998. Whoops. Just kidding about that. I actually meant value area low. Okay, value area low is hit. All right, we're at the daily again. Wow, okay, so we're at the daily again. I would potentially be looking for a CDW of that low right there. But of course, retest of the daily. I mean, this is we could say that we have a CDW right here, right? We could say we have a CDW right here. So let's check out TR chart. We do have some bullish CVD right here. Shorts being absorbed. We do. Lots of shorts opening up here. Let's zoom out and see bigger context. Alright, so now we've officially taken that low. No bullish divs on the 1 minute here. Alright, so wow, look at those single prints, guys. Do you see that at the single prints? Is that not wild or what? Is that not crazy? Those single prints, wow. It's too bad I'm not still in a short, guys. Let's check out what's going on here. We do see some bullish looking CVD here. But, you know, we don't really have bullish divs on our 1 minute chart. But look at that, guys. Single prints do not fail, man. That's so crazy, right? That is wild. All right. Let's see what happens here. This is so crazy, guys. Okay. This is wild. All right, here we are again. These stupid scalp longs. When I could just be shorting. This is Jason Kasperitis. We're coming up to a 1 minute order block where we're finding resistance. Jason Kasperitis, guys, not trading the trend, but trading counter trend for these risky freaking idiotic degen 40x leverage trades, right? This is the problem that your boy Jason Kasper has here. Seriously. All right, so I'm going to go for gold, guys. I'm going to set my next TP all the way up here at 19,058. All right. How's it looking? How's that looking? Not so great. Yeah. And just by the way, the reason I took the trade is because of the bullish CVD on the TR chart. That was my decision making. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Down, 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 down. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Guys, I have to be honest. My secret desire is that we beat chart champions in this competition. I don't think it can happen, but that's my secret desire. I just said it out loud. I was looking at their, they have some amazing traders in there. One of their traders made like $2 million on the first day of the competition. But when I take a look, if the moon is that close to chart champions, these are some good P&Ls. I'm not going to lie, guys. These are some good P&Ls. These are some good P&Ls. I feel like it's within reach. I feel like if we wait for good high probability trade setups and use degen leverage, it could potentially. We might be able to place. If we place in the top 10, if we place in the top 20, I usually don't care about competitions, guys. I'm not very competitive, except against myself. But if we do place in the top 20, that would be amazing. That would be crazy, actually. That would be crazy. If the Casper crew is in the top 20 crews in the world, that would be pretty cool, in my opinion. All right, guys. Looks like we're about to get stopped out here in profit. But these market fees, guys, they have been cutting into the profits here. You guys notice that? You guys notice that? Can I show us the bullish CVD? Yeah. So the bullish CVD, guys, on the TR chart that we were looking at was this, right? As soon as we put in this, we saw price coming up. We saw shorts entering. We saw CVD coming down. And even though open interest is going down, right? The open interest is going down because of all these longs getting wrecked. So open interest can tell us overall, are there more trades opening or closing? We can tell more trades are closing than opening. But we can see people shorting into this low. And because they're shorting into that low, which we know is an area of support, we're not just doing this willy-nilly based on nothing, right? But because we see that people are shorting into support and CVD is getting lower, we can interpret this as shorts are getting absorbed here. If the shorts were coming down and the longs coming down and open interest coming down and CVD getting lower, then it's like, we take that with a grain of salt, right? A grain of salt. But let's pull out a fib here. Okay, we're bouncing off the 382. That's a sign of strength. If we put in a higher high, then we know that this is a legitimate trend reversal, at least in the short term here. Can we put in a higher high? That's the question. I don't know. And let's pull a fib here from our most recent to the low. Okay. So I should probably set my take profit up at the golden pocket here. And this golden pocket might actually offer us a nice short scalp because it's just a support resistance level. Ugh. Yeah, this isn't looking so strong, guys. I would have liked to see a higher high put in after that 382. Let's take a look back at what's happening here in the TR chart. CVD staying kind of steady here. Boyan, if you're watching this, bro, how come we don't get this kind of action when we do our New York Open streams, man? How come it has to happen on an altcoin stream day? You know what I'm saying? Oh, this is good, Ray. Could I name the team next time the Schlong team? Yeah, I could do that. 19073 dumps come in pairs. You're looking for a retest of the daily, maybe? Wait, 19073. Oh. Yeah, actually, wow. So this, let's see something here, guys. Because now that we've put in a lower low, we've got the value area low right here. Let's just be objective now about our supports and resistances. So this would be value area low, resistance. Resistance. And, okay, so this CDW is gone. Definitely didn't CDW yet. All right, we may. Doubtful. We have the point of control / GP up here. This, if we make it up here, guys, this is where I would like to short from now. This is the USD chart. So I'm talking like 19,024 to 19,044 would make a beautiful short entry. And then, of course, right now, guys, I mean, I will be stopped out if this happens, but like be aware of the GP underneath us at 18,782. Because if we come down to that golden pocket with some bearish CVD, I mean, we have a lot of shorts coming in right now, guys. We have a lot of shorts coming in right now. You know, I might just... Oh, no, that's the 0.5 fib. I thought that my entry was at the golden pocket. I love when I, like, enter and it just so happens to be at the golden pocket so I could put that stop loss just under entry. But this is not looking too bullish, guys. Not at all. This is not. Well, maybe it is. I mean, if we hold this low, it might be. Whoop, just kidding. It's not. It's not bullish. It's just abandon all ships, guys. Abandon all ships. We're about to get wrecked up in here, guys. We're about to get absolutely destroyed and wrecked. Lose all our cryptocurrency, right? Lost everything. Lost another $1 million in Luna. Another $300 billion I lost in Luna. All in on Luna, guys. Just kidding. All out on Luna. Just kidding. I'm all in on it. Nope. I'm out. You know, I'm super poor. I'm broke, but I'm rich. It's amazing how that works. S&P's looking rough. Yeah, Dread Mining. I would love that, man. If we get that 19073 GPRT. But honestly, I'm looking at the 19032 Golden Pocket retracement first. Just because funding is negative, huh? Interesting, Dread Mining. Interesting, man. That means I better watch out for these funding fees. You're right. Look at that. Funding is negative. All right, let's go, baby. Let's go, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. I'm probably, I am probably one of the most degen traders in the world, guys. I am incapable of trading with the freaking trend. Here I am. I literally, that's in this giant move down, a nice, easy, stress-free short that I got stopped out of. I've taken a long right here for a 0.4% move and a long from right here for like another 0.4% move. Why? Why do I put myself through this anguish? you know? I need to sit down and look in the mirror and really analyze my life. If I had only had my stop loss a little bit higher, just a little bit higher, I could have been short from here, from like 19, I think it was like 220 or something. You know? Ugh, hindsight is 2020, guys. Hindsight really is 2020. Yeah, always counter trend. I mean, it makes sense, right? Because when we're pumping, we're looking for shorts. When we're dumping, we're looking for longs. So typically, that's going to be counter trend. But this was the best short, obviously, in hindsight, man. And I totally missed it. It rejected right off the level. I even gave the trade setup, and I took the trade, stopped at the entry. What an idiot. What an idiot. Jason, what the heck is wrong with you? You know, you guys. All right, so shout out to everyone who took this trade. Shout out to everyone who took this trade. Man. That's wild. I'm going to shout everyone out. Man, what a bummer. You know, I have to be honest with you guys. So this competition has kind of changed the way that I trade. Because I'm more scared to lose, I guess. You know, and obviously I have more on the line here. I'm putting more on the line. Because you know, my regular account here, I'm up about 2.5% since Monday, which is great. I'll take that any week. But on this account, I'm up like, you know, whatever I'm up. 40% or whatever. All right, come on, Bitcoin. Don't do this to me now, baby. Can you imagine, though, the gains I could have had? We could, you know, if I had just held that stupid short. Oh, man. Oh, the pain and the anguish. The what if. The what if game, guys. It's crazy. All right. Let's see if we have any more questions in here. And then I'll probably head out, guys. I have a lot of work to do today. Big bull div on the 15-minute, or am I crazy? That's a good question. Let's find out. Yes. Very large bull div on the 12-minute and 15-minute and 18-minute and 24-minute and 30-minute and that's it. That's it. So yeah, let's go, baby. Let's pump this corn. I'm gonna move my stop loss down a little bit here. Now, here's the thing, guys. Because we have these bull divs, man, this golden pocket is looking juicy to me right now. The 18, this is the USDT pair, 18792 GP is looking pretty juicy, you know? It's looking pretty juicy. So who knows, guys? Maybe your boy Jason Casper isn't such a loser after all. You know, maybe 6 Juanita will finally go out with me. Maybe 6 Juanita will finally go out with me. Where's the level that we need to reclaim for it to be a valid CDW? Wow. Okay, so we are potentially, guys, having a slow CDW here. A potential slow CD dub. Let's see if we can put in a higher high. Let's see if we can put in a higher high. You know, one could make the case that we've held on to the 382 here, holding it as support. If we put on our bull glasses, okay, if we put on our bear glasses, we could say, no way. No way, that's a weak bounce. No way, weak bounce. Look, 1 minute's about to print a red dot. There's no way. Let's check out the S&P futures here. How's it looking? This is a pre-leading indicator of Bitcoin, and it is dumping, baby, which means Bitcoin's probably going to dump. Let's check out the dollar. What's the dollar doing? Pumping, baby. That means Bitcoin's about to dump. Yeah, so Bitcoin's about to dump, guys. Ooh! Rejecting right off our potential chickens drinking water reclaim level here. Oop, just kidding. Blue candle back, baby. Blue candle back. Come on, come on, come on, come on, Bitcoin. Go, no. Yes. No. Yes. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh. All right. Oh, come on, chickens drinking water level. Don't do this. Don't drown, chickens. Don't drown. Speaking of chickens, man, I have more baby chicks that are hatching right now. They're literally hatching right now. So there's going to be lots of chickens drinking water this coming year, guys. Ah, crap. Look at that bearish looking candle. What is that? A shooting star. That's called a shooting star. Oof! Red dot about to print hard on Bitcoin. Red dot about to print hard, man. Let's check out how's our 1 hour doing. Talk about a floppy woppy. How's the 4 hour doing? All right. I'll take it. You know, the massive pump that this 4 hour green dot gave us yesterday. Isn't that crazy? A 4 hour big BitBoy green dot gave us like this tiny little, and then, and you know what else is crazy, guys? I was waiting for a little bit higher to short. Just a little bit higher to take a short. That seems to be my issue during this bear trend. You know, that's why I take 0 trades. I'm always waiting for higher to short, lower to long. Never trade, never. Just kidding, because eventually your levels get hit, but I'm sure you guys know the struggle. Nah, I just want a little bit lower before I long. Nah, I just want a little bit higher before I short. Right? Because us traders, right? We're trading the range. Right? We're trading the range over here. And this is the range that we're trading. And then this is the range that the price action is actually moving in. Right? So this is our plan. And then Bitcoin's just trading this smaller range, and we're just like totally blind to it, right? We're like, oh yeah, we're so close to our short. Oh, just kidding. Oh yeah, so close to our long. Oh no, just yeah. The struggle, guys, it's real. Oof. Oh, okay. This is the 3-minute. Money flow's coming up on the 3-minute, guys. If we can start to print some uneven butt cheeks here on the 12, money flow's coming up. Momentum's coming up. VWAP's pointing up. RSI's nice and low. Looking, excuse me, guys. Looking a little pumpy on the RSI's. If we can get that. Bear flag on the 1 minute? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Yeah, let's do it, legendary. Let's pump up to that VWAP, man. If we could pump up to the VWAP, that would be beautiful. But here's the thing now, right? Well, okay. This golden pocket is now changed to here because of that lower low. So this might be our new confluence here. And I would honestly, the most beautiful thing, see, that's the problem. Now we have a golden pocket here. And the reason I call that a problem is because now we have this wide zone we have to be aware of. In the trading competition, these 618s, 618s, man, she is fierce during this competition. You don't even have to ask her. She'll slap you in the face. She will see you from across the room in the cafeteria at high school. She'll come up behind you and slap you in the face from behind you. You don't even have to look at her or talk to her. That's how fierce she is in her rejections. But the thing is, we have VWAP here, and this is the mistake I made earlier by not shorting the 618. I was waiting for VWAP, had to hop in later with bearish CVD, stopped out at entry. But it's always weird, especially if we're high leveraging, to short the 618 knowing the VWAP's right up here. You know what I'm saying? So just got to be careful with that. But here we go, baby. 1 minute trigger wave. That's what I'm talking about. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish, who loves the show Friends. And shout out to Boyan, who uses Friends. No! Next, Janito, don't close your short for my longs. Oh, don't do that, man. Come on. It's all about the schlong, baby. You got a schlong. If you're in a short, don't close it for a long. Open a long and keep the short. That's the best way to do it. I haven't been able to get into a schlong this whole trading competition. Wonder where we're at right now. Let's see. I might be a little obsessed with our play. Okay, 52. It's not bad. It's not bad. $52. I'll take it. I'll take it. Ooh. Oh yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, right? This could be an extended chicken's drinking water, right? The chicken was not so thirsty. We can lead a chicken to water. We cannot make her drink. So value area low, guys. This is the first area of resistance. 18,927. 18,927. 18,927, baby. Can we come above it? Look. Oh. 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 Let's go, baby. Nice. Nice. Now, I want to hit 6 Juanita. Don't give me no 18,927. I want 6 Juanita. All right, we've already rejected off this. Is this thing an order block? I don't even know. I just use that word because it's the cool thing nowadays to say order blocks. You know, that's the new hip thing. Trading order blocks. Shout out to White Phoenix. But we rejected off of this area of where the candle turns green on the way down. And now the next area after that is going to be this 6 Juanita up here, where I have my TP. And just because I know how sneaky that 6 Juanita can be, I'm going to move this TP down just a little bit. Oh, come on, don't do this to me, Bitcoin. Don't do this to me. Not now. We've been through too much together. We've been through too much. We've been here before. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Come on. Come on. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Come on. Rejecting off the 0.5. 6 Juanita's jealous best friend. Not a cheerleader. In the marching band. Braces. Kind of nerdy. Even still, we don't have a chance with her, right? We're too loser for her, even still. Even the nerdy band chick, we can't get. She dates a football player, even though she's nerdy. Now, our goal, here's the thing, right? We don't want to deal with her friend, with 6 Juanita's friend. We know 6 Juanita is the girl that we're after. Right? So we have to get through her, right? She's trying to block us from getting to our true love. She's trying to block us, right? She's trying to block us. She thinks we're trying to get with her. Pfft, we don't care about you. 0.5 Anita. No, we don't care about you. Right? But apparently she has some clout. Apparently, right? She is blocking us, right? From getting to our true love up here. She's blocking us from getting to our true love right now. Let's pull out some more fibs. Let's pull out some more fibs. Let's see now. Now that we are putting in a higher high. Oh, man. Now we're in a predicament, guys. Now we're in a predicament. Because the golden pocket retrace is right under our stop loss. And I don't have the cojones to long that, honestly. I don't. I'll be honest with you. Let's see what's going on here. Let's check out 1 minute red dot, guys. Money flow coming up, though. Let's check out order flow. How's it going? Shorts opening. Longs staying kind of steady here. CBD coming up. Open interest very much so coming up. You know, this might be a healthier move to the upside. At least on a TR chart. Let's check out the 5 minute. Right? Let's check it out. Got a lot of shorts opening here, guys. Got a lot of shorts opening. And, you know, I would say, let's go down to the Uno minute. Let's check this out now. Wow, look at all those shorts, guys. That could be bullish. This could be some bullish, some slightly bullish CVD from this candle here. Could be slightly bullish. We could see these shorts get absorbed here, you know? You know? Now, if this was a move to the downside, if we were short right now, you know, it would just happen in 1 minute. We would be all the way up here. In 1 minute candle, we'd be at the VWAP if we were shorting, but we're longing counter trend. And so, you know, as is typical with Bitcoin, it's a struggle. We sit here all day sweating, checking our phone every 2 seconds to see if price has moved up 0.00001%. No, it hasn't. Right? And then finally, at the end of the day, we close our trade after a 0.05% move, feeling amazing about it. Man, we're so good, right? Then we wake up the next morning, 9% move to the downside happened in 2 minutes. Where were we? Sleeping. Sleeping. Can you believe that? Went to bed after a long day of sweating it out. I was in a long yesterday for like all day. Finally closed it in profit, feeling kind of good. Woke up, long stopped out at entry. Massive move to the downside, you know. Asia really knows how to take a dump, guys. And New York lately, we have not been doing much. We've been trading sideways. So, let's pop back on our order flow chart. All right, okay. Okay. You know, I mean, you know, this is glitchy. Not the desktop version, but, oops, I thought we had some bullish CVD here, which we don't. We don't. But technically, from here to here, we have bullish CVD. And we have shorts opening up like crazy in this candle right here. So if we can hold this, that could give us a little bit more fuel to the upside. A little bit more. I don't like the look of market Cipher B. I don't like the look of that at all. Let's check out the 6 minute here. 6 minutes still looking all right. Let's check out the 3. 3 minutes still looking okay. Let's check out our 12. How's our 12 looking? Come on, 12 minute. We're hoping and waiting for you, baby. You are the thing that we're looking at right now, 12 minute time frame. All right, somebody's asking if I can explain an order block. Well, as far as I'm aware, okay, an order block is just like an area of support or resistance. So if you see like a downtrend like this, right? But then all of a sudden you see like this green candle in the middle, that's an order block. So you can like make a little box around that thing like this. Like that. That's it. This is an order block, right? And when we came up to it the first time, we rejected kind of right off of it. And now potentially this next time, we really did, right? Now, that's as far as I'm aware, guys. That's what I call an order block. Let me Google it. What's an order block? Question mark. Let's see. Let's see what Google says. We'll go to the trading technologies. Let's see if we can see a picture here. No, this is too complicated for me, guys. This is too complicated. It's too complicated. Here we go. Pictures. This is what Jason Casper likes. Pictures. Yep, that's what an order block is, right? See, we can see in this move up, all of a sudden, there's a bear candle, and then continue up. We come down, bounce from the order block right down here, coming up. All of a sudden, we have this move to the downside, continue up. We've got an order block, we bounce right from it. So, as far as I am aware, like, at least the way I look at it, right? It's just an area of support and resistance. Like, I like to simplify things as much as possible. So, if you see this right here, what is this? I mean, this is an area of resistance because we have two candle bodies right here. Open, close, boom. So we know when we come to this level, we could be looking for resistance. And what do you know? We come up resistance. So for more information, I know White Phoenix is all about order blocks. And Boyan trades them as well. But I'm a much simpler kind of guy, I suppose. But definitely, if you see something like this, you should be taking note of it. You should take note of it. So like something like this as well, this area up here, right? We should be taking note of it. And, you know, we could also just look at these as like support resistance levels, right? Just like looking at the candles. So we're starting to get a little move to the upside. Let's check out our order flow chart again. See what's going on here. Any signs of bullish? No. But there are, honestly, some signs of bearish CVD happening right now. If we don't get a bigger move up. So we can see here CVD coming up. If we don't take out this high, that could be bearish. Open interest increase. These shorts are still hodling, right? These shorts that opened up here are still hodling, guys. So, interesting. The dollar has a 1 hour bear div. Well, let's pump, baby. Come on. What's it going to be? The market maker wants to come down, grab the liquidity, bouncing off the 21 EMA. The New York Brinks over here come to the 13. Want to take it down to recover the vector candles before we get another push up. What's it going to be? Come on, make your move. Come on. What's it going to be? Got to go in quick. Take your money and leave. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, to everyone who got paid today. Happy days. Happy days. Shout out to Tino from Traders Reality. Someday we're gonna do a do a collab. I just talked to him recently. We're gonna collab. He's just a busy guy. He's moving. He's got a whole bunch of stuff going on. He's got a daughter. He's a trader. I know how it is, guys. I myself also have a daughter and am a trader. So I understand. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna head out right now. I don't know if Tino's heard my impressions, so somebody needs to send it. Somebody needs to send Tino my impressions of him. You know. So maybe I'll post a video just called "Traders Reality Impression." But yeah, guys, I'm gonna head out. So God bless y'all, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.